wondered if a robot can trade the stock market and even make money for you while you sleep? Or if there's a way to navigate the complex world of financial markets without being glued to your screen 24/7? What if artificial intelligence could do the heavy lifting for you? Welcome to Niche Wealth, where we simplify money and tech. Today, we're diving into the intriguing world of AI trading bots. These aren't science fiction anymore. They're sophisticated, automated software programs powered by artificial intelligence that can analyze market data and automatically buy or sell financial assets, be it stocks, crypto, or Forex, on your behalf. Think of them as your tireless digital financial assistant, working 24/7 behind the scenes. We've seen a significant surge in interest for these automated trading bots, especially in volatile markets like cryptocurrency, where speed and precision are paramount. Their goal? To maximize gains and minimize losses, all with minimal human intervention. But how exactly do they operate? At their core, AI trading bots function by processing vast amounts of data at lightning speed. First, they take in every piece of relevant market data, things like real-time price movements, trading volumes, breaking news headlines, and even social media sentiment. This isn't just simple number crunching. Advanced AI algorithms are designed to identify intricate patterns and hidden trends that a human eye would almost certainly miss. Once these patterns are recognized, the bot makes a decision based on its pre-programmed strategies. This could be anything from a relatively simple buy low, sell high rule to highly complex arbitrage strategies that exploit tiny price differences across multiple exchanges. The key advantage here is their speed. They can execute these decisions in milliseconds, far faster than any human, capitalizing on fleeting market opportunities before they disappear. They're programmed to act without emotion, without hesitation. So, what are the big advantages of using AI trading bots? Firstly, they offer the undeniable appeal of passive investing. You can set up your parameters, and the bot can automate your investment portfolio, potentially mimicking the strategies of successful traders without requiring your constant attention. This bypasses the significant time commitment typically required for active trading, making them great for generating passive income. Secondly, and crucially, they eliminate emotion from trading. Fear of missing out, or FOMO, and unchecked greed can often lead to poor, impulsive financial decisions. An AI bot, however, sticks strictly to its programmed logic, making objective decisions purely on data. This consistency and lack of human bias can be a powerful asset, especially in volatile markets that can trigger emotional responses. Now, are they a magic bullet? Not quite. While powerful, AI trading bots aren't foolproof, and it's vital to understand their limitations. They can't predict so-called black swan events, unforeseen, catastrophic market shifts. They also carry the risk of overfitting past data, meaning a strategy that worked perfectly on historical data might fail dramatically in new, unpredictable market conditions. This means they require careful setup, regular monitoring, and a solid understanding of the underlying strategies you're employing. Market conditions are dynamic, and even the most sophisticated AI needs human oversight to adapt and prevent potential losses. It's crucial to understand that past performance never guarantees future results. So, with the pros and cons laid out, are AI trading bots right for you in 2025, especially as a beginner? They can be powerful tools, but they work best when you understand how they function and are willing to monitor them regularly. If you're looking for a more hands-off approach to potentially generate passive income and are willing to start small with diversified investments, bots might be a fascinating avenue to explore. For those just starting out, many platforms offer user-friendly interfaces and even demo accounts where you can test strategies with simulated money before risking your actual capital. For example, some popular beginner-friendly platforms include Pionex, known for its free crypto trading bots and ease of use. 3 offers a wide range of exchanges and includes a strategy builder. Stoic by Syndicator, a hands-free AI crypto investing option. Trade Santa, user-friendly with customizable settings for various assets. Just remember, they don't guarantee profit. Use them as part of a diversified wealth-building strategy, not as your sole investment tool. AI trading bots represent a fascinating frontier in personal finance, offering incredible potential for automation and efficiency. But like any powerful tool, they come with responsibilities. If you found this explanation helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more finance videos and uncommon personal finance insights from Niche Wealth. We're here to help you navigate your financial journey, one niche at a time. Comment below, would you trust an AI to trade for you?